How to connect and use OTG to transfer files from Android to USB. Now, in order to use OTG, there are many types of OTG available in market that you can buy, but most common OTG are these ones. These are the very common OTG and very easy to use. Now, in order to use this, what you have to do is to put one end of this OTG in the charging port of your phone, and at the other end it is gonna have this USB port, and in this one you just simply need to connect your USB and it will be connected to your Android phone, and after that it will work like an external storage device in your Android phone, and you can very easily copy, paste and move files from your Android to USB and USB to Android, and this way you can easily transfer your file over to USB using the OTG. I hope this video have been helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.